So if you ever wanted to bring back the nostalgia of playing your favorite Spotify or Apple Music songs on an old school iPod, now you have the chance to do this with this new iPod web player where you can go ahead and play your Apple Music songs and your Spotify songs. So to get this cool looking iPod mini player that is web based, so it'll work in Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and things like that, go ahead and click on the first link in the description of this video. That is going to go ahead and take you to this iPod mini player. Now you can see if I scroll down with the wheel, scroll around with the wheel, it does move and it's interactive. So the first thing you need to go ahead and do is to either sign into your Apple Music or to your Spotify. So I'll move the wheel to the bottom there where it says sign in, then I'll tap in the middle and then you can select Apple Music or Spotify. I'll select Spotify and now you can see the sign in button is removed, and if I go to the cover flow you can see all the covers that I have within my Spotify account, which is pretty cool. So if I go to the menu, then I scroll to where it says music, then I tap on that. You can go ahead and select your playlists, your artists and your albums. So I'll go ahead and select a playlist and these will actually play on your phone, which is super cool. So I'll just select any playlist. Now I have it on mute for copyright reasons, but you can go ahead and play your favorite songs and then the song will be playing on your phone. So that is super cool and interesting. And if you like this iPod web mini player, go ahead and like this video down below and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more future videos like this. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.